made it.
Hi, what's up?
Hi.
Are you okay?
Yeah.
So I remember my brother. Yes, actually he's my brother, not my friend. C. You remember
Susie. Where there? Why is so sweet?
So he's actually about to travel, and then I told him we were coming over. But he says he wanted to see you first before he goes, so you can go home.
And Susie said, "Send your work me too kind." But me tell say oba no. Na me say me at least near tenas ni di nkomo epibibi di sre kakra edi abrabo mu nkomo kakra ansa na mako we dem srew ma yenko fie yenya ntobase ne ntenase ni yeni nkomo me kwa ye obi am betumi aye Susie that's one. Okay.
Still made it.
Susie, welcome to my place.
Susie.
Susie.
No, it's Susie. You have to silence it.
You still the talk Susie.
Just like Cedric.
I say it's
Susie Williams.
What a nice place.
Thank you. You okay? Relax. You just relax. What should I get you? Water, juice?
Juice is fine.
Okay. Already come.
Juice is fine. Susie. Hey. You know very well that I like you so much. Cedric, or you nice guy, or you decent guy, or you elegant and legit nigga. Okay? When you say you may don't, so you will be on for how, no, you will be on for hard now. There is no way you can make connecting with me. You wasn't a man, I don't know, and I'm connecting with Cyril. To make a chill piano, just listen to him. Okay? For a woman is all bad. Or cast down no one that. Sorry, no, sorry, soon. And I believe you. It's say 2024 and beyond. Susie Jimmy sweet heat. That's right. and listen, this very place is your home also. Enjoy yourself, okay? Yo, na glass no fala. You're supposed to take 2 man.
You know what you go talk. Now my dream to do is I mean find your marriage. Oh, you finish my drinks too much. Yes, sir.
I think you get a glass for yourself. You want to share?
I'm coming.
Okay. So I'm waiting.
Yeah, sure.
Susie. Make yourself comfortable. Don't worry, okay?
Nice place.
Oh, yes.
I'm impressed.
Yes. You know those days, we all pray, bro.
Very good toast.
It's
okay. Susie Williams. This is your home, okay?
Okay.
Cheers to
good life.
Cheers to, we're reunited, so
yeah.
Cheers to us being reunited.
Nice one.
Nice. Anyway, what are you going to eat? So we start working on that.
What would you like to have?
No, Susie, feel free. We have rice, benkun, abetie. There are a lot of food inside.
Whatever you want to have is fine.
Oh, Cedric. Hello, Cedric. Abetie ni katin kwa okay.
No way.
Oh,
no way.
We can do it, my nigga.
Oh, you cook?
Yeah, man. 1 second.
1 second here.
Okay, sure.
Everything is okay. Susie, I hope you like MPC.
Plantain or yam?
Any. Neither plantain nor yam.
What did you say?
No, I'm asking her if she likes MPC.
Yes. Would you eat MPC?
Plantain or yam?
Which one do you want?
Yam.
Yam.
It's okay. Let's go to market.
Okay, you know what? Why don't you go get the stuff from the market? I'll do the cooking myself.
Really?
Yeah.
And wait, the yam, which type of yam do you like? We have afasi.
No, I like puna.
Puna. And we have Nhyiraba.
What?
Nhyiraba.
No.
Puna, you like puna?
Yes, puna.
Okay. The one that the taste is inside.
Yes.
It's kind of.
See, let's go. But Fred, I don't want to go to it.
Okay.
Susie, you come and catch up as you see.
Okay, sure.
See.
Okay.
There's something you want to say.
Susie.
Susie.
In fact, the taste and the aroma of the stew is legit, and it's more than 100%. I love the combination to the egg plus the kobe and the egg scrambled inside. In fact, you are marriage material.
Thank you.
Do they make the food choking? I mean, I have to say. Well, I tell you, say, fine woman. I heard my go cook for my picture. What to happen? Change the answer. I'm going to do it. I'm going to say, I'll feel it.
Next year, December, 2nd December, I'm getting married.
What you say date anyway?
Next year.
To who?
Who?
Do you have a fiancé?
Oh, God has revealed her to me through a dream.
Oh, is it?
Yes, yeah.
So when we go see him?
Very soon.
Oh, you never tell me. Do they make the food choking? Chaliba, the stew, you said it is I don't want to do the last time. I said no, they are concentrating.
Then I wasn't not pepper. Then I wasn't not pepper. No, I last time once we check I knew wash it.
You want this?
Only you.
She knows I can cook, so what are you talking about? Who?
Susie, only you.
But she knows how to cook. She knows how to cook.
Me na me all the time.
Who knows what you can do? Who knows if you?
Me na me all the time. The my yard been finding cutting point that she free mama. Only you. Ain't no going to.
Stop whining, what's going on here?
Wine.
What are you going to be on?
I don't find anything.
Oh,
you just show me the process.
YouTube tutorial.
YouTube wine.
Some say I been going anything.
YouTube is internet.
The back market. I go to wine. The bam young something I been wine. And I go do as wife day. So they am going to say. So then we have witness. Until go join me because I no do am. Today they tell me say me I don't know cook. Okay. Go see. It feels really nice. Still really good. The Kobe they make sense plus.
Thank you.
This is delicious.
You like it?
Oh yes, I love it. I love it.
Go for me, man.
I'll try and make jollof
No,
rice.
no problem. Got you, man.
You like jollof rice?
It's cool. But I prefer fried rice.
So that's it.
It's Joe made it.
Also,
You see, this is lovely. This is what we call love. Honestly speaking, this is what I was personally looking for. See, you just look at the vibe. You just look at how sweet it is.
Charlie,
You the vibe, Keke.
fans of Kwan, why they give us that?
Cedric, please. What's your papa? Kurana furniture on taba and I say, make sure send the home massive. Protect her, love her, do her wishes for her. Protect her as a man behind a woman. And to you, Susie, you have already spoken. Share. Makacho say me homeboy no, or you will be a hard now, me. And come in machine fin and connect to me. Please and please. He loves you and you only. Mr. Mommy, because he's sitting right here. It's my treasure, it's my diamond, it's my gold, it's my necklace, it's my everything. The reason why in Tiana people say me who answer na makone say na people say me chimmi no mutina say na me can be the two mutrim sine be ya we be the kind of cordial lava a woman tell Mr. Mo kona me kona won't keep long but we make sure say remember this say mo kuku tokwa na mo yene o basa please and please and you know I'm you too.
Oh, see,
Charlie, my time is up. Pilot now for you see say the pilot call me so you see I have to make smart deal. But please, my shorty kakra, I beg you lend me some money. When I will come, I will give them to you, please.
okay. You still want to go shopping, no?
Yeah, why not?
Should go out, okay. See, Nhyiraba.
Okay.
Yeah, now, something paying.
Yeah, but got me here by 3,000. Who come back me the mom? You know, some money not the problem. Cedric, I'm gonna pay you back, man.
We 3,000, no.
Okay.
We 3,000, something.
Sir, alright. Matene, me kuyi, me bana ma befa back no. Why?
Alright.
When I mean 5,000 more problem.
Oh, see.
No, see, your baby is here. At least 3,000 no more boy then. You have to cash out big time. So maybe you hear bibia, you get me to tell man.
Sure. Really.
Alright. I'll come right now in the jiffy.
Sharp.
Okay.
No waste time. Don't mind my brother, okay? He's a character.
That's good.
What do you think about him? He was in a hurry to go, but he said he wanted to see you before going. I'm sure he's...
Well, he has seen me.
But you don't look excited. I mean, you're too dull, still reserved. Huh? You want to lie down? You want to relax or something?
Only you can make me feel this way, even when the sun is behind the clouds. Only you can make me feel this way. You make my